So if you're a fellow 50 plus one-person business builder like me, you might be saying, well, Ryan, should I try to monetize my YouTube channel? Everyone's talking about, you see all the other people like 60, I monetize my YouTube channel. Look how great I'm doing. Now, here's the thing. It might not be the smartest move to obsessively focus on it. Yes, it's great. YouTube pays you when you hit a certain threshold. And as of today, you need 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 people subscribe to your channel, and 4,000 watch hours over the course of 365 days. Not a calendar year, but it's a rolling 365. So once you hit that, you could then apply to be a partner, and then you get paid for every view. Again, that's nice. But here's the thing. Depending on your financial goals, it's really often not a lot of money. And the amount of money you make by YouTube depends on your market and your niche. Here's how it works. Let's say you're in a hobby like knitting or gardening, or you want to show people how to make their bed better. They're going to attract different advertisers, and those advertisers might not be willing to spend a lot of money on ads, so you're going to get paid less per view. If you're in a market that's like investing or making money online, you're going to get paid more because there's more advertisers willing to spend a lot more money. So when you see people all excited, hey, I'm 62, I just got monetized. Again, that's great. That's really nice to have, but it's to make it your only goal. It's not always the best business sense, because if you're talking like purely financial, and here's like the big secret that a lot of these YouTube creators don't know. And it's a thing that I know because I've been building businesses online for 25, 26 years that had nothing to do with monetizing through advertising and through YouTube. It's the money is actually made on the back end and on your list, and when you get people off of social platforms. Now, YouTube, please don't listen to this. Of course, you want people to stick around, you want to watch, and that extra YouTube revenue and income is nice. But again, the amount of money you make offline absolutely dwarfs any money you'd make in online ad revenue. So for example, one of my longtime students, Jeff Cavalier with AthleanX, does really well with YouTube AdSense on his YouTube channel. However, he makes significantly more with his website, AthleanX, selling training programs and a membership and nutritional supplements. That's where a majority of his income and profit is made. So if you only say, my goal is just to monetize a YouTube channel and make ad money, and you're okay with making maybe a few hundred or maybe a few thousand a month, again, it depends on your market, depends on the amount of view, it's great. But I suggest, especially as we're getting a little bit older, especially as we're 50 or 60, consider having something off the platform that you own and you control. And I'm not saying YouTube's gonna do this, why would they? But they could demonetize you for any reason. They could say, you know what? Your channel isn't working for us. We're gonna kind of remove ads on your channel, or they could change the pricing, or the market fluctuates and all of a sudden you were making $1,500 a month and next month you make $300. And it happens, right? Market fluctuations go up and down, advertisers come in and out, so it happens. So my suggestion, again, fellow Gen X to Gen X, or 50-60 to 50-60, is to think about how we can get people from your YouTube channel and get them over to an email list. Yeah, Ryan, email list, isn't that old school? Absolutely, but the money is in the email list and your relationship with your email list and the ability to then create new offers for your list. So if you are teaching real estate, you could do a real estate course. Here's how to buy and flip your first house. Here's how to rent out your Airbnb. There's courses, there's coaching, there's consulting. You could then have affiliate programs. Maybe there's a piece of software. One of my buddies, Scott, has a software that he recommends, and he gets paid recurring commissions. So he says, check out this software, and everyone who signs up, he gets recurring commissions. I have that too. If you want to build the same site that I have right now, I'm using Kajabi. I have a link below. Get it free for 30 days. If you sign up with my link and start using their software, which I do like, I get a recurring commission, and I'm loving life. And it actually pays really well, and all of those little income streams add up. So, Ryan, what's your point? Should I get monetized? Absolutely, get monetized. Go for it. Make that extra income. But do not make it your only goal. Don't say this is the only thing I'm doing, because when you watch some of these people talk about, hey, I monetized and I made $1,200 this month, it's a very thin model and there's no predictability. And you're kind of at the mercy of other people and other businesses and other platforms. So I suggest you take control of your business, and you could build this as a one-person business. You can have a freelancer, you can create membership sites, you can do all this great stuff. And if you want to learn that stuff, just go on my website, sign up for my free newsletter, ryanlee.com. You see what I did there? I'm taking you from, from YouTube. Check out my site. And even better, write email below. And I got a little special report I'm working on all about building your email list and creating and writing really good emails. So enough of me yapping on. Keep watching, because I'm raking in the money with my YouTube AdSense. I'll see you on the next video. Take care.